Hello everyone and welcome back. Do you want to get rid of ads on every device in your house? Let me tell you about Pi-hole. Pi-hole is a free software that blocks ads at network level by working as a DNS server. Think of it like a gatekeeper for your internet. When your device tries to load an ad, Pi-hole stops it before it even downloads. The cool part? Once you set it up, your entire network is protected. Phones, tablets, smart TVs, everything. No need to install ad blockers on each device. You can run Pi-hole on a cheap Raspberry Pi computer for about $50 or even on an old laptop. The setup does take some tech skills. You'll need to change your router settings to make it your DNS server. It's not super complicated though, but it's not plug and play either. Once it's running, you can block over 1.5 million ads and tracking sites using pre-made lists. Pi-hole crushes pop-up ads, banner ads, and tracking sites. You'll even see fewer ads in mobile apps and games. Your internet feels faster because ads never download in the first place. Plus, it has a nice web dashboard where you can see all the blocked requests in real time. But here's the catch. It cannot block YouTube video ads. Why? Because YouTube serves ads from the same servers as the actual videos. If Pi-hole blocks those, your videos won't play. Same goes for ads built into streaming services like Hulu or Peacock. Pi-hole also leaves blank spaces where ads used to be, which can look weird on some websites. Is Pi-hole worth it? Absolutely. It blocks most ads across all your devices for free. Just don't expect miracles with YouTube. For ultimate protection, pair it with a browser extension like uBlock Origin. If you want to try it out, be sure to check out their website. And that's all for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one.